Last Thanksgiving, I carved a gorgeous turkey, only for the juices to overflow my flimsy cutting board, ruining the tablecloth and my pride. Finding a meat cutting board that actually holds juices, protects your knives, and doesn't warp is a nightmare with all the cheap options out there. I've spent months testing the top contenders so you don't have to ruin another holiday dinner. Stick around, because the #1 board on this list completely changed how I prep meat, and it might just save your next barbecue. 5. AZRHOM Large Acacia Wood Cutting Board. The AZRHOM is where our countdown begins, and it certainly makes a strong first impression right out of the box. Acacia wood is known for its beautiful grain patterns, and this board definitely brings a rustic, high-end aesthetic to the kitchen counter. When I first unpacked it, I was excited by its sheer size, which seemed absolutely perfect for handling large cuts of meat like briskets, thick steaks, or whole roasted chickens. The thickness gives it a substantial feel, making you think it can handle some serious chopping and carving without budging an inch. During my first test run with a juicy flank steak, I immediately noticed the deep juice grooves running along the edges. Initially, they did a decent job of catching the runoff, preventing a massive mess on my countertops. However, as I continued to use it over a few weeks, I found that the grooves were somewhat difficult to clean thoroughly. Fat and sticky meat juices tend to cling to the somewhat rough finish inside the channels, requiring extra scrubbing with a brush that frankly became a bit of a chore after a long evening of cooking. This brings me to the major issue I experienced with the AZRHOM board: its long-term durability. Despite regularly oiling the wood, as recommended by the manufacturer, I started to notice tiny hairline splinters developing near the center where the majority of my chopping occurred. It seems the wood's density isn't as consistent as it should be, making it prone to scoring and scratching for my chef's knife. For a board marketed specifically for heavy-duty meat preparation, feeling your knife catch on rough patches is definitely frustrating and a potential hygiene concern when dealing with raw poultry. 4. Keechee Dishwasher Safe Bamboo Cutting Board. Bamboo is incredibly popular right now because it's eco-friendly and lightweight, and Keechee pushes the envelope by claiming this board is completely dishwasher safe. That claim alone was enough to pique my interest, as thoroughly sanitizing a board after handling raw chicken or pork is a top priority for any home cook. The board feels remarkably light in the hand, making it very easy to transfer from the counter to the sink or straight into the dishwasher rack. I put that dishwasher safe claim to the test immediately, and to be fair, the board survived the high heat and water pressure of my dishwasher without instantly splitting in half. However, bamboo is notoriously tough on knife edges, and this board is no exception. During my slicing test with a pork tenderloin, the surface felt incredibly hard and unforgiving. Within just a few days of heavy use, I noticed my primary carving knife was losing its edge significantly faster than it does on softer wood boards, forcing me to hone and sharpen my blades much more frequently. Another significant drawback I discovered involves its handling of meat juices. The Keechee board features a very shallow perimeter groove, and while it's certainly better than having a completely flat edge, it easily overflowed when I was resting a medium rare roast beef. The juices spilled right over the edge onto my counter, completely defeating the purpose of having a groove in the first place. Moreover, the sleek, hard surface of the bamboo proved to be quite slippery. When dealing with fatty cuts of meat, the meat tended to slide around the board, making precise, safe cuts much more difficult than they should be. Lastly, after a month of putting it through the dishwasher as advertised, the board surface began to look dull and feel slightly textured, losing that perfectly smooth finish it had out of the box. 3. THETCHRY Walnut Cutting Boards. Switching from bamboo to walnut is like night and day for your kitchen knives. Walnut is a softer hardwood, meaning it provides a gorgeous, dark aesthetic while being incredibly gentle on your expensive blades. Unboxing this board, I was immediately struck by the rich, chocolatey tones of the wood and the smooth, pre-oiled finish that felt incredibly premium to the touch. When I put the THETCHRY to the test with a massive rack of ribs, the difference in the cutting experience was profound. The knife blade seems to glide effortlessly, biting just enough into the wood to provide stability without getting stuck or dulled. I spent an entire week using this board exclusively for heavy meal prep, from dicing chicken breast to slicing thick steaks, and my knives remained razor sharp. The self-healing properties of the walnut really shine here, as the minor cut marks from my serrated blade seem to blend seamlessly back into the beautiful wood grain. The juice groove on the THETCHRY is also a major step up from our previous contenders. It's carved deeply and widely enough to handle the runoff from a resting steak or a juicy rotisserie chicken without ever coming close to spilling over. I also really appreciated the built-in handles carved neatly into the sides, making it incredibly easy to lift and carry a heavy roast directly from the kitchen to the dining table for an elegant presentation. The weight of the solid walnut keeps the board firmly anchored to the counter, eliminating any dangerous sliding while you are trying to make precise cuts. 2. FlareBlock Walnut Wood Cutting Board. If you're looking for an absolute showstopper that performs just as beautifully as it looks, this is the board that will catch your eye and hold it. The FlareBlock takes walnut to the next level with an incredibly thick, robust construction that screams professional grade. From the moment I placed it on my counter, it commanded attention. The craftsmanship is impeccable, featuring a flawless, silky smooth finish that showcases the natural variations and deep, luxurious hues of the walnut wood. Testing the FlareBlock was an absolute joy, especially when tackling heavy-duty tasks like breaking down a whole turkey or slicing through a massive, crusty brisket. The sheer mass of this board means it absolutely will not move. It acts as a perfect, stable canvas for any culinary project. The surface is exceptionally knife-friendly, absorbing the impact of heavy chops from a meat cleaver and delicate slices from a carving knife alike. I noticed that even after vigorously carving up several bone-in meats, the board showed minimal scarring, a true testament to the high-quality wood and the density of the block they used. One of the standout features of the FlareBlock during my testing was its exceptionally engineered juice groove, paired with deep corner compartments. When I was carving a particularly juicy prime rib, the channels efficiently directed all the liquids away from the meat, pooling them neatly in the corners. This not only kept my counter spotless, but also made it incredibly easy to spoon those precious juices back over the meat or collect them for a quick pan sauce. It's a thoughtful design element that shows the creators actually understand the real-world challenges of cooking large meats. 1. New Emway Premium Acacia Wood Cutting Board. After weeks of chopping, slicing, carving, and washing, this board stood head and shoulders above the competition, proving to be the ultimate workhorse for true meat lovers. What makes the new Emway board so spectacular is how it manages to combine the stunning visual appeal of premium acacia wood with a remarkably innovative, highly functional design that solves almost every problem I've ever had with cutting boards. It feels incredibly premium right out of the package, preconditioned and ready for immediate action. The absolute game changer for me during testing was its brilliantly designed dual-sided functionality. One side features a massive, extra-wide juice groove that easily handled the absolute deluge of liquid from a massive, slow-smoked pork shoulder without a single drop hitting my floor. But flip it over, and you have a perfectly flat, smooth surface ideal for chopping vegetables, dicing onions, or rolling out pastry dough. This distinct separation is crucial for food safety, allowing you to prep your raw meats on one side and your fresh produce on the other, virtually eliminating the risk of cross-contamination during complex meal preps. Furthermore, the specific cut and finish of the acacia used by new Emway strikes the absolute perfect balance between hardness and knife friendliness. Unlike the earlier acacia board on our list, this premium version showed zero signs of splintering or surface degradation, even after I relentlessly attacked it with heavy kitchen shears and a large cleaver. It resists deep gouges beautifully, yet it has enough give to keep my Japanese steel knives perfectly honed and sharp. The surface also features a subtle natural texture that grips slippery, fatty cuts of meat, ensuring you have total control while carving. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.